I had been in a law practice with a partner, and I jumped out on my own and started my own practice where it was just myself and an assistant, and then I lost that assistant. And so for about a period of probably 2 or 3 years, it was just me operating a law practice. The problems I was running into was understanding how to, market myself, how to get clients in the door, how do you get all the work done, and keep that process moving along so that your business can be successful. They don't teach you those things at law school, so I needed somebody else to help me to be able to understand that. The problem made me feel like I was out of control, that there was constant chaos in my practice. It makes it very difficult to be able to stay focused and be able to stay motivated, to be able to keep your business running when you don't have all of the working parts and pieces that you need in place. And that's where Deliberate Directions came in. Allison, Deliberate Directions, was helping me to understand that at a certain point you have to rely upon bringing in some employees, staff to help you to be able to work through being able to manage your business. And so she helped me recognize that I needed to hire, that I could hire, and then put processes in place so that the practice would operate smoothly and succinctly, and that we had a marketing plan and we had processes in place to deal with clients and processes on how to track finances and how to make sure that we had consistent revenue coming in the door. So that's been invaluable to me. What I would tell somebody who's considering working with Deliberate Directions is I highly recommend it. What I found is that as a business owner, you don't know what you don't know, and a good business coach can bring in those aspects of what you don't know about your industry, about your practice, about what you need to do to make your business or practice successful. So Deliberate Directions was help me to be able to come up with a plan to be able to solve those issues. So Allison, besides being an excellent business coach, and she and I have been through a lot together from the standpoint of I was probably one of her first clients when she came here to Boise. And she is a dear friend of mine and someone who will always have your best interest to be able to make your business successful.